Hello friends, hope you're having a great weekend. Today we are going to do a pre-market analysis on gold. Before going to the session, I suggest you watch the pre-market analysis which was done on last week, and you can check our community messages to find out what all were mentioned in the last 1 week. So if you see that we mentioned that gold will be falling from the range of 4,129 and it would come up to the range of minimum 4,040. From this range, gold has almost fallen up to 883 pips, and our team has generated a great amount of profits. Thank you for sharing all the screenshots and your success stories with me. Really appreciate. Now, if you see in the weekly time frame, you can see that last week we got a candle which received a support from 4003 range, and we thought that the market would close, the next week's candle will close above 4104 range, which is for the above the current candle. But if you see right now, the market have not closed above the previous week's candle. That means bullish trend is not yet confirmed. So if a sweep candle, along with that a candle is getting closed above, we can plan for at least for a shorter term upside moment. But here the candle has not closed above, it has swept the previous week's high. That means the bullish trend is not yet confirmed. Now if the market needs to become bullish in the weekly time frame, the next week candle should close above 4165 range like this. Then only we can plan for a bullish momentum, or then only we will get a bullish momentum. Now, if you come to the daily time frame, as mentioned, we already mentioned this area from which the market has already fallen. Now it is in a support range in between 4040 and 3956. Now when you go to the 4 hours time frame, let's see, you can see that the market is taking a slight support from this area, and you see that we can see there is a parallel channel rejection also in this area. So what is going to happen in the coming week? From the range of 4040, maybe there are chances that market, it can form a pattern like this, maybe it can come to the order blocks zone again in between 4040 and 3956 after taking some support, or maybe from directly from here, or after taking some support you can see the market going back to the range of 4100. So definitely you can go for a buy. I'm telling you 100% you can go for a buy, no problem. Why? Because this is a buying zone. But you need to understand what are the chances. From here either the market should go up, or else the market should come down. If you are planning to take a high risk over here, definitely you will get a high reward. At the same time, what if the market is falling down? If the market is falling down, you will have to lose a good amount of money from your capital. So I suggest, as there are two chances, always follow the proper risk management. For example, if you have $1,000 capital, and if you risk over $500 at this area, that means if it is going below 3956 range, market is bearish. And if you are risking from $1,000, if you are risking $500, that means 50% of the capital is vanished over here, or you will have to cut off here. But when it is going up, you will get some good amount of money, because it is a 50-50 chance in all the order blocks. We cannot say that which order block will work. Okay, 70 to 80% our order blocks will work. So in that case, if you have $1,000 capital, just risk 10% over here. If you risk 10% at this area, if it is going down also, you are only risking $100 capital. But what if it is going up? Because you are scalping, you will minimum earn around $200 to $250 over here. Even if it is going down also, you will only lose maybe $100 to $120. That is the beauty of risk management. So as it is a buying zone, you can go for a buy until the range of 4100. And from here, if you ask me if I can go for a sell, definitely you can go for a sell, because this is a fair value gap and it can come up to 4114 range also. and there are chances that market can fall down from this area also. If it is falling down, you can go for a sell entry and you can earn money. But what if it is going up? You lose some of your capital. So what I'm trying to tell you is that do not overtrade or over risk at any of these areas. I repeat again, if you are a person trading with $1,000 capital, just risk $100 at this area. Even if the market is breaking this range also, you need to only lose $100. And if it is coming down, you can earn minimum $200, $250 because you are scalping. You are taking multiple trades at a time. If it is going up, only one trade is running for you. That means you are only losing a little money. So, my dear friends, let me tell you, 4040, 3956 range, it's a buy zone for gold. You can buy any of these areas and you can take profit until 4100. If the market is coming to 4100 and in between 4164, then it's a sell zone. You can plan for a sell entry. Rest all things I will be updating after checking the market in on the Monday, and I will be updating in our WhatsApp community. Now, to be very clear with you, as market has not given us a bullish confirmation now, there are chances that if it is not taking a proper support from this daily fair value gap in between 4040 and 3956, and if the market is breaking below 3942, we can see a great downfall from here. Okay, so once I told you it will come down, come below 3900 range, I still tell you the same. It can come below the 3900 range if the zone in between, if the zone of 3956 is breaking. But at the same time, we need to respect the daily time frame as well. So the thing that I'm trying to tell you is that if there is a order block like this, just imagine that this is an order block. Okay, and the market is coming to this order block. You are planning to buy here. If the market is giving an opportunity, you will get good profits at this area. You have $1,000, you can make $200, $300 in this moment. But if this is breaking, then you need to only risk minimum or maximum 10% of your total capital. According to that, you need to take risk. Okay, so this is what I have to share. I have marked all the support and resistance zones, all the selling order blocks and buying order blocks. And coming to the news of the coming week, on Monday, July 27, durable goods is not a big news. Tuesday, no big news, but on Wednesday we have FOMC Fed interest rate decision and FOMC statement. Be very careful. On Thursday we have initial jobless claims. We need to be careful in the initial jobless claims. And while coming to Friday, we have nothing. Forget about Friday. Thursday and Wednesday we have news, high impact news, where you should be very careful while taking an entry. So thank you so much, guys. And congratulations to all the contest winners also. Mr. Rinish, Mr. Alvin, Sebastian and Anu. Congratulations for being the most active members of our community. Keep on contributing to XTA, and XTA will be contributing back to the community. Thank you so much and all the best.